All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Today is Friday. Woohoo! Friday. It is the 3rd of April. We are finishing up our second week of distance learning. Welcome to it. My good things for today are that it is Friday. This is the end of our work week. Even though we're all staying at home, I've been really busy every day. So I'm looking forward to a weekend where I could just straight up relax. I've enjoyed a lot of your good things recently on the attendance form each day. Angelica Beltran said that she really loved the Frights, and they're a band that I'm enjoying too. I've listened to several of their songs, so thank you for suggesting that, Miss Beltran. A lot of you are talking about what you're eating, both what you're cooking and eating and what you're just eating in general. People have been talking about eating bagels and waffles and croissants and garlic bread, cooking funnel cakes, soft-boiled eggs, cereal, etc. Online dance classes seem to be popular. A lot of people are doing those. So those are all good things. People are watching lots of movies, something that I wish I was doing more of, but actually, like I said, I've been pretty busy for most of this week, answering emails, doing Greta and George's school and stuff. Pretty busy. People are playing ping pong and badminton. Here at the Bruner house, Mrs. Bruner ordered a giant Jenga set, some other big game, and an inflatable bouncy house thing that apparently I need to put up in the backyard soon. Very happy that my kids have something to play on. Not so happy at how much money Mrs. Bruner's been spending. A student mentioned a Chinese musical instrument. I didn't write down the name of it, but it sounded really cool and interesting. So those are your good things. Let's take a look at our assignment guide for today. Like I said, it is Friday. We've covered attendance. Well, do the attendance form. That'll shoot out to you at 8 o'clock on Google Classroom. Make sure you're filling that out each day. I'll be sending the list of names of students who are not filling that out to OH, and people will be calling those who are not checking in. I put a link here to a page that has a bunch of enrichment activities. So if you're looking, oops, sorry, that's not what I meant to put there. This is it, okay. So if you're looking for something to do, if your parents are telling you, hey, do some schoolwork, or your teachers aren't giving you enough work, or why are you just sitting around, or if you're just bored, here are a whole bunch of things you can do. And no, I have not looked at every one of these links, but a lot of them look really interesting, like this stock market game. I remember doing that back when I was a student, and I thought it was really cool. There are lots of STEM activities. Dancing, right? We mentioned people doing online dance classes. TED Talks, or TED Talks, I think are always interesting. Virtual field trips, if you're interested in checking out any museums, I'd recommend the Louvre, as well as any natural history museums. I really like the Shedd Aquarium in Chicago. I really like the Monterey Bay Aquarium, so if you're interested in those, you can check out if there are field trips for those. But anyway, just as a whole bunch of resources and things you can investigate if you're bored or interested. Also on the assignment guide here, 20% time. Remember last Friday I asked you to watch that video about 20% time and think about what you could do that would help others. If you have any ideas for what you would like to do, please add those to the attendance form today. This is not an assignment. This is just more about you thinking about what you could do for 20% time. Well, we will have assignments on it, maybe starting next week, maybe the week after. But if you have an idea that you like, please do put that on the attendance form today and be thinking about that. And then finally, we are going to have our class meet today at 1 o'clock. So I will send out via email the link to the meet just a few minutes before it starts, so like 12:55-ish. You will take that link and go to the meet, and remember, this is not required. This is 100% optional, and it's not academic. Although if you do have like an academic question you want to ask me, I suppose you can. But keep in mind that this is a group social event, right? This is solely intended to be an opportunity for you to see your friends' faces and my face and say hi, right? Share anything interesting that's going on with you. It's kind of like Good Things, right? But on the whole core class basis. So that's happening at 1 o'clock. Please participate if you want. If you're not interested, then don't participate, right? 100% optional. And that is it for today. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye. Stay healthy.